Hi everyone, it's Miss Bulky, and today we're going to be doing a lab on testing some household items, things that I found around my house, the pH of them. All right, so these are some of the things that we're going to be dealing with. We have milk, toilet cleaner, lemon juice, carbonated water, just some sugary juice, and what we've been using a lot of lately is disinfectant. So in each of these beautiful cups that I got from Korea, I have placed one of the liquids in it. All right, and what I'm going to use is a pH strip and a pH testing paper. So when I dip in each of these pH strips, it's going to then change, and whatever color it matches is whether it's going to be more acidic end or the basic end. All right, so as we know from our readings, around 7 is neutral. Okay, so try to take a prediction of each of these liquids before I show you what the results are. All right, so if you need to pause the lesson, you can do so. All right, so try to take a guess of what would be maybe the most acidic, and work them down to the most basic. All right, so try to order them first to make a good prediction. All right, so let's get testing. So all I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to go into the milk, and I put it in, just hold it for about a second or so. Let's see if it changes. And here is our milk. So it's not a full fat milk. I did go out and get some cow's milk, so I think it's about maybe like 1% or so, because usually I drink cashew milk or coconut milk, but as you can see, it's neutral. Okay, so nothing really has changed. I would say maybe around 6, because nothing's happened. I would say that the biggest part is the reason that milk didn't really change is because it's a lot of water in this. All right, so for the milk, it is about 6 or so. It's around neutral. It didn't really do anything. All right, so now what I've done is I've taken toilet bowl cleaner, and instead of me using just the toilet bowl cleaner, I did water it down a little tiny bit, like just add a little water so it wouldn't all goop onto the pH stick. So I'm going to be putting this one in. 1, 2, 3, take it out. Okay, and there's a little bit of change in this color now. So as we can see, it is more on the acidic side. So I would say that that's maybe close to about a 4 or 3. So it is on the more acid side. All right. So then let's take another one, and here I have lemon juice, so you can take a guess of what lemon juice might be. So I'm going to put it in. This one definitely changed. Okay, so as you can see in this case, we now have it, this is very acidic. So I would say this is really close to 1 or 2, okay? So let's put that in as I'd say it's about 2, okay? So we'll put it in as a 2. So the lemon juice is extremely acidic, okay? So, you know what? It might be easier if I do it this way. All right. So then let's take our carbonated water, and whether we think it's more alkaline or acidic, or is it more neutral? I know when we test it, nothing really is happening, but there is, it has been sitting out for a few minutes, but usually the carbon dioxide does make it a little bit more acidic. So it is maybe from neutral, you can see it's probably around a 6 or so. It's not exactly neutral because it doesn't look as much like our milk, but it would be more in the 5 or 6. So it is a bit acidic. Okay, so let's say that that's around a 6. Writing upside down here. All right, so now let's take our juice. All right, and this is our sugary juice. So had to go out and buy some of this because I don't drink juice very often because it's not good for you. Has a lot of sugar in it, and as you can see, it is quite acidic. Okay, I wouldn't want to be drinking a lot of sugar stuff that's not good for my teeth either from that reading that you'll see. So now you can see that it's definitely acidic. And I would say that's probably not as acidic as our lemon juice, but it is quite acidic, so probably around a 3. All right, and then now we have our disinfectant. I didn't put it into one of my cups here, but I have it on hand since I've been disinfecting everything when I come in after my runs and such, and social distancing. So we have our pH stick and our disinfectant. It has, this one I have, it does have some bleach in it. So it's a disinfectant and bleach cleaner. Okay, so this is something that we use a lot in our households, and it's stuff that does go down the drain, so it is harder to get out of the water systems, and this is what's happening. Okay, so as you can see, this one's turning, and it definitely is getting to be a bit more alkaline. Ooh, look what's done to the other ones. So this would be hitting more of, oh no, it's not. It's not alkaline, sorry. It's, none of them are alkaline. It would be very acidic because it needs to clean, so it needs to disinfect. So I would say it's probably around a 4. All right, so that's not gonna work because of our disinfectant, but there we go. So that's how you would test different substances in using pH strips, and I hope you learned some things. All right.